Hello, so this will be a series of tutorials on how to set up your scene for VFX, how to create few blueprints and basically functionality for special effects artists. So who is it for? I think it mainly will be for people who just starting out or who would like to learn more about Unreal Engine and how to set up basic characters for VFX. I used something similar, and I mostly use this setup for my portfolio. So for example, whenever I am creating some special effects, I like to have two characters, and one is firing at another. Basically, there are animations, and it just looks nicer in your portfolio, in my opinion. So let me show you what we've got. So we've got two characters, one on the left is firing at the one on the right, and it's like very simple placeholder projectile being fired. We also got muzzle flash and an impact effect as well. As you can see, the characters start with an idle animation and they go back to the idle animation, and also the target receives the hit impact animation. So this should give you basic understanding how to create setup like this with any characters on Marketplace, or maybe you've got your own characters with animations, and it allows you to just replace the placeholder VFX with the one that you're gonna create. Okay, so I'm hoping that it's gonna improve your effects a little bit, mainly because you're gonna use the characters and you're gonna add everything as you would normally add in the game development. So I'm hoping it's gonna improve your portfolio, and I'm hoping it's gonna give you a better understanding of how to add those effects to the animation and time it a little bit better. At the moment we've got only 3 parts, but maybe if you like the series we can always expand it, and we can add some additional stuff like screen shake. Maybe we could dress up the scene with real environment, because it's always better to work with the environment than with just empty scene. Let me know down in the comments what would you like to see next, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this, and so we can expand the series and add a bit more content to it.